I'm Ashlee Cribb, Vice President of the Wood Products Division for PotlatchDeltic. I'm responsible for 6 sawmills that produce a combined 1.1 billion board feet of lumber each year. In 2024, I was appointed as a director to the Softwood Lumber Board, and today I want to share some things that I've learned about the work at the SLB and what its programs are doing during my first year on the board. First, serving on the board has given me a much better idea about how the programs work together to achieve results that support the wood products industry. Whether it's the American Wood Council's progress on building codes and standards, Woodworks support for architects and engineers, or ThinkWood's promotion to increase the specification of wood, I learned that all these programs complement each other and result in influencing more people to build with wood. After sitting in my first board meeting, I realized that one of the areas I'm most passionate about is education and finding ways to get universities to teach about building and designing with wood. I learned through the results of an SLB audit that 59% of schools provide little to no exposure to wood design. I mean, how can we expect architects and engineers who haven't learned about how to design with wood complete projects that include and specify wood? The education program of the SLB is changing this through faculty workshops where instructors learn how to incorporate wood design education into their academic programs. By the end of 2024, 100 faculty members from 80 schools will have attended 5 workshops across the U.S. I mean, just think of how energized and knowledgeable these faculty members will be when they get back to the classrooms. Because of my interest in wood design education, I've spent some time talking with the universities I have connections with, including the Georgia Institute of Technology, where I completed my undergraduate engineering studies. It's been exciting to see students at these universities open their eyes to the possibilities of building with wood. One example is when I had the opportunity to sit in on midterm project reviews at the Georgia Tech School of Architecture earlier this year. The students were asked to create a mass timber design for a campus expansion project. It was interesting to hear the students present their ideas and to get feedback from professional architects. I believe that getting students to become comfortable designing with wood during their education is key to seeing more mass timber projects in the future. You know, I've been in the wood products industry for over 16 years, and I believe we are seeing an evolution play out with the growth of mass timber. I recently visited the 619 Potts project in Atlanta and was impressed with how mass timber played a critical role in the Pottery Barn retail area on the first floor. It's inviting and beautiful, and it showcases many types of exposed wood options. And in the big picture, this is a technology that's going to help builders and developers get a better return on their investment and construct buildings faster with fewer people. You know, over the past year, I have also learned that the SLB is helping to support the growth of mass timber, not only through our programs, but also through the mass timber competition. SLB has a partnership with the USDA Forest Service that funds innovative mass timber projects with the goal of sharing learnings from those projects with the broader community. In 2025, the mass timber competition is focused on building sustainable schools. This is a great way to showcase the work being done in the building community and promote building with wood. Over the past year, I have realized that educating students about wood design and building tall with mass timber are great examples of why funding the SLB is so important. Other material industries have already been at this for a long time. The concrete and steel industries have a lot of money, but by pooling our resources, I believe the lumber industry has an opportunity to be on the offensive. And we are gaining momentum because of the work being done across the Softwood Lumber Board programs. In summary, these programs support the growth of wood construction by providing technical support and educational resources, removing obstacles in the code, and making other smart investments that our company could never make on our own. All of this is a great reminder that we want wood to be the first thing that people think about when they build. By serving as a director on the SLB, I have increased my knowledge and understanding of how our contributions are directly impacting our industry and resulting in sustainable growth for wood construction.